Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Do you want to describe people, places, food, and feelings more naturally in Korean language? If yes, then this lesson is for you. That's because in this video, we are going to talk about Korean adjectives. And more adjectives, the more natural and expressive your Korean becomes. So, in this second part of the series on Korean adjectives, we are going to learn 20 more essential Korean adjectives that are commonly used in everyday conversations. Now, as I said, this is the second part. If you have not watched the first part of the series yet, then don't worry, I'll share the link of that video in the description so you can have an easier access to that video. And believe me, watch it. It will be really helpful for you to improve your Korean language, especially the vocabulary part. So, for each adjective, we learn its modifier form and the informal present tense form, the adjective form that is being conjugated in the informal present tense, because these two forms, they are used most often in Korean language while we are speaking or having a conversation in our day-to-day life in Korean. Then these two forms are most commonly used. Also, you'll get easy example sentences to help you understand the meaning and usage of each adjective naturally, making it much easier to remember these words and use them in your own Korean sentences. Okay, so we are also going to go through example sentences for each adjective, and remember, I'll only use the easiest, or I should say very easy example sentences, because our motive over here is to learn Korean adjective, their most commonly used form, and also learn how to use them in Korean sentences. Okay, that is what we want to learn through this video. All right, so let's continue building your Korean vocabulary with 20 more must-know Korean adjectives. Let's begin. So here comes the first one. To be high. In Korean it is 높다. 높다. Its modifier form is 높은, and the informal present tense conjugated form is 높아요. So, if you don't know how this modifier form of adjectives is formed in Korean language, how adjective works as a modifier, then I have already made a video on this grammatical concept. I'll share the link in the description. Also, if you don't know how this conjugation thing works in Korean language, how we do conjugation of Korean adjectives, then also I'll share the link of the playlist consisting of videos on Korean verb and adjective conjugation. Alright? Okay, so now let's take a look at the example. How 높다 is used in a Korean sentence. A very easy, very simple example. 그 산은 높아요. That mountain is high. Very simple. Okay, next comes to be low. 낮다. 낮다. 낮은 낮아요. 이 탁자는 낮아요. This table is low. To be hungry. 배고프다. 배고프다. 배고픈, 배고파요. 저는 지금 너무 배고파요. I am so hungry right now. To be famous. 유명하다. 유명하다. 유명한, 유명해요. 그 배우는 아주 유명해요. That actor is very famous. To be beautiful. 아름답다. 아름답다. 아름다운? 아름다워요. 저 여자는 정말 아름다워요. That woman is really beautiful. To be salty. 짜다. 짜다. 잔, 짜요. 음식은 너무 짜요. The food is too salty. To be tired. 피곤하다. 피곤하다. 피곤한, 피곤해요. 저는 지금 매우 피곤해요. I am very tired right now. To be dark. 어둡다. 어둡다. 어두운, 어두워요. 밖이 어두워요. It's dark outside. To be bright. 밝다. 밝다. 밝은, 밝아요. 이 방은 너무 밝아요. This room is very bright. To be happy. 행복하다. 행복하다. 행복한, 행복해요. 저는 오늘 정말 행복해요. I'm really happy today. To be sick. 아프다. 아프다. 아픈, 아파요. 제 할머니는 아파요. My grandmother is sick. To be far. 멀다. 멀다. 먼, 멀어요. 그 병원은 멀어요. That hospital is far. To be bitter. 쓰다. 쓰다. 쓴, 써요. 이 약은 너무 써요. This medicine is very bitter. To be heavy. 무겁다. 무겁다. 무거운, 무거워요. 이 가방은 무거워요. This bag is heavy. To be light. 가볍다. 가볍다. 가벼운, 가벼워요. 이 상자는 가벼워요. This box is light. To be important. 존경하다. 존경하다. 존경한, 존경해요. 건강은 정말 중요해요. Health is really important. To be good. 좋다. 좋다. 좋은, 좋아요. 이 책은 정말 좋아요. This book is really good. To be bad or to be mean. 나쁘다. 나쁘다. 나쁜, 나빠요. 그 사람은 나빠요. That person is mean. To be dumb. 멍청하다. 멍청하다. 멍청한, 멍청해요. 제 친구는 멍청해요. My friend is dumb. Now, before you use this adjective in your sentences, remember one thing. This might sound a little bit rude or harsh. Okay? 멍청하다, I should say, is preferably used only with people you're really close with. Okay? Like a very close friend of yours. You can, in a funny way, you can say that my friend is dumb. Okay? You're not implying it seriously, but in a light way. Okay? So remember this one thing while using this adjective. This cannot be used with anyone. Okay? should be really, really close to that person or friendly with that person while using this. Okay? Because it sounds a little bit harsh. Next, to be white. 하얗다. 하얗다. 하얀, 하얘요. 아빠는 어제 하얀 셔츠를 입었어요. Dad wore a white shirt yesterday. Here, you can notice I have used the modified form of the adjective 하얗다, that is 하얀. In the remaining 19 adjectives that we have seen so far, I have used the informal present tense form. Okay, but over here I use the modifier form. Why is that? Because I wanted you all to get to know about how to use the modified form in a sentence. Okay, so if you have to say white shirt, 하얀 셔츠. Okay, this is very simple. Just have a knowledge about how to use this form. This is also very commonly used, as I said. Alright, so in this video, we learned 20 Korean adjectives that are very commonly used, and also we learned their modifier form and their present tense conjugated form, along with some very easy example sentences. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.